Good morning, students. Today we are discussing about the retardation test. So the test is used to perform the or identify the frictional power of an engine. So this one is the experimental setup shown here. 4-stroke single cylinder diesel engine with rope brake dynamometer test rig. So this is an name, but we have to do the retardation test. For getting the experimental reading is speed and time taken for slow down the speed. Okay. So 500, 400 and 300 we are set it down. So for that case we have to take the time consumption for reduction in speed, that is called retardation. For doing the experiment we have to add the load. So it's a mechanical load, so you can add one by one 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg and 5 kg load. First initially load the engine by 1 kg. So you have to start the engine. So once the engine started, you have to note it down the speed of the engine. So that is 500, 600, that like that. For example, the engine will turn on and operating at 600 rpm means we have to using this log. The speed will be reduced gradually, okay, up to before stop the engine. Okay, from the 600 rpm to 0 before turn off the engine. You have to note it down. Gradually it will slow. There is no give the acceleration during this time. Once engine reaches the 600 rpm as a constant speed, you have to slow it down gradually by adjusting this lever towards upwards. So engine speed will gradually reduced before engine off. So again we have to conduct you have to release this lever downward means again engine speed reaches up to 600. Okay, we have to take the time consumption by using stopwatch. So at the once you have to there is 2 persons needed for slow down the engine speed and taking the time consumption for shutting down. Okay, then stop it, again release the lever. It will reaches the repeated rpm 600 rpm or you have to convert in different rpm stages means 500 rpm. Next you have to fix the 500 rpm speed, take it down, then you have to adjust the lever, take the time taken. So this is a load condition. We have to after taking the 3 loads we have to release one by one. We have to mention the time consumption for taking the various loads. So this one is the experiment and taking out the readings for finding the frictional power of an IC engine. Thank you.